Now, it would be fair to say, right, that at this moment we have a problem where, not majority, but this is becoming common, where there is an absence of the father and child relationship. Father and child, father and son, father and daughter. Mother is there because in our community still, it's very taboo for women to work. So the men still do the work. But where they're generally not at home a lot of the time, because of the types of jobs and work we do, we're not family, business orientated people as a whole in our community. So we work white collar jobs and hard work and so on. So there's an absence or a lack of connection of father with children. And in our community, it's the father who does the tarbiyah. Mums are the more softer ones. Not to say that they can't. I was raised by a single mum. Do you get it? So they can make the tarbiyah. The point is that this is the general norm, and customs continue and they continue to go until we break a cycle. Once you have this issue where there's a disconnect, who then becomes the role model for the child? Who then does the child look up to? Well, because they're mingling with people outside, that's when they're now susceptible to gang violence, gang affiliation, crime. And if they don't go down that route, do you know what the next biggest source of influence is? This is their new influence, because you can sit at home in Huddersfield in your little bedroom and mum and dad are thinking you're studying for your GCSEs, A-levels or your SATs or whatever the case may be, and you are joining online communities. Your influence is coming from a mobile. Now the truth is your influence is not manifested, you get me? If I'm affected ideologically, it doesn't print and tattoo on my forehead. Do you hear what I said? If you are affected ideologically, it's not going to print on your forehead. Unless you are active, constantly asking, having dialogue, you won't know. And then what happens, because you've been convinced that somebody else is right, there's a block towards you. Because they say this person knows what they're talking about. So they say, yeah, they listen, not knowing that inside the inner turmoil is creating to mad ideas. Hence, we have irtidad amongst our community, an all-time high, where one website boasts that there is 8,000 people that are murtad in Bradford alone.